And when you had your surgery, was the surgeon able to talk to you afterwards and tell you how the procedure had gone? And what did you find out while you were still in hospital?
Yes, he did. He came. He came practically every day. He was wonderful. And he said had been very successful. And they were just obviously waiting for the histology from the lymph nodes. But on balance, he just thought it was a huge success. And he had done the VATS procedure, so everything was good.
After you came home from hospital, how did you find adjusting to life back at home? You've mentioned that you live alone. What sort of practical things were easy to get on with, and how did you make sure that you were looking after yourself at home?
Well, my daughter took time from her off work and she took some holidays, so she came home and sort of took charge. I found it very hard, I will admit, being at home because of stairs, going up and down stairs, getting in and out of bed. I did find it hard coming out of hospital. I was desperate to get out of hospital, but I found it very hard. But my daughter took such good care of me. She was wonderful. And my son-in-law, I have to mention him as well.
And at home, did you find things like getting into a comfortable position to sleep? Was that something you had any difficulty with, or were you able to kind of get back to your normal sleep pattern quite quickly?
No, I found that extremely difficult. Extremely difficult. My daughter and son-in-law sort of built a sort of nest almost, so I could sleep fairly upright. But the mistake they made was putting me in the middle of the bed, so I couldn't shuffle out. But we overcame all that. And the other thing I found very difficult was having a heavy duvet on top of me, because it hurt. It bothered my wound. But we altered those sorts of things. We didn't anticipate that. So you learn as you go along. That was because I understood why they did it, but they put me right in the middle of the bed, and it was impossible for me to get out. And as I say, the duvet was so heavy that I had to abandon that and get sheets and blankets, thin blankets.
Yeah.